Amanda in our Training and Implementation Department here in Advantage Software. I wanted to talk about security and reports. With our latest release, we are going to start adding more and more reports to Advantage. Make sure you do review the release notices so you can see what reports are being added. But with these new reports, our security will automatically have these particular reports and actually modules blocked by default. And the reason for this is we don't know which users should have access to those specific reports. So we give the agency control over being able to determine which users should have access to the reports or not. Let's start talking about security. So the first place that you're going to do it is by going into security. We're going to go into setup and we're going to go to group. Within our group security, we can locate a specific group that we would like to make sure has access to the specific reports or modules. We're going to go to the tab that is called Module Access. Within Module Access, you'll see that you've got a section here for application. Within that application, you can either select Advantage or WebVantage. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and stay in Advantage. We're going to navigate down to Finance and Accounting. Within Finance and Accounting, I want to go into Reports. Within Reports, I'm going to select a new report, Bank Reports. We're going to have a bank reconciliation report coming in a future version. Underneath the options is blocked. I'd like for you to go ahead and uncheck that for any group that should have access to this report. The next place that we can go to is going into Home, Security, Setup, and User. Within the user security, if you have a user that is part of a group and maybe the group is blocked from a specific report, but this user should have maybe just a little additional rights, then they might have the option Check for User Access turned on. You're going to go to the tab that is called Module Access. You can also navigate to the application of Advantage or WebVantage. I'm going to stay in Advantage. We'll go into Finance and Accounting. We'll scroll on down here to Reports and then go into Income Only. Within Income Only, we have, or Income Only Reports, this is going to be a new report as well, and I can go ahead and unblock it for this user. The next place that you could go is jumping into Home, Security, Setup, and we can go into Module Access. The Module Access application is a way for you to look at various applications or reports to see if multiple groups are blocked, and you can kind of uncheck all of those groups at once instead of going in through each of the group setup or the user setup. Let me show you that. Within Finance and Accounting, we're going to scroll on down to Reports. Within Reports, let's say that we want to look at that income-only report. We can see that of my 6 groups, 5 of them are currently blocked, and I could go ahead and unblock those groups just like that. Just like in our user and our group security, we can navigate between Advantage and WebVantage. Now remember, when you make a change to security, you will want the users to sign out of Advantage or WebVantage and then sign back in for the security to take effect. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at softwaresupport@gotoadvantage.com. Or if you have immediate need, you can call us at 1-877-443-3311. Select option number 1 to get to software support. Within there, you can select option 1 to talk to our accounting team, option 2 to talk to our project management team, or option 3 to get connected with our media team. Thank you.